All right, so get this. We're diving into humanoid robots today,
Perfect.
specifically two cutting-edge models, the Dobot Atom and the DagiBOT Lingxi X2. And you have been digging into some fascinating research on these. And we're talking mind-blowing precision, surprising skills.
Right.
Are you ready to just have your perception of robots totally flipped?
Absolutely. And what's fascinating is just how quickly this technology is advancing. I mean, we've gone from robots that could barely navigate a room, these machines that are capable of like revolutionizing whole industries.
Yeah, let's unpack that.
Yep.
First up, the Dobot Atom.
Okay.
One of the things that just jumped out at me was its incredible precision. We're talking movements as small as 0.05 nanometers.
Wow.
To put that in perspective, that's like finer than a human hair.
And that's a game changer, especially when you compare it to earlier robots. I mean, that level of precision means that the atom can perform tasks that were previously impossible, for machine.
Right.
Think about it. Microsurgery, microchip assembly, something like restoring antique watches.
It's almost like having a robot surgeon with steadier hands than any human could ever have.
Precisely. And not only is the atom incredibly precise, but it's also incredibly efficient. The way it walks with those straight knees reduces energy consumption by 42% compared to more traditional robot gait.
It's all 42%. That's a huge difference.
It is.
What does that translate to, like in practical terms?
Think about it this way. Longer operating times, fewer charging breaks. Basically, these robots can work longer and harder without needing to stop and recharge as often.
So we're talking about robots that could potentially work around the clock, potentially in factories, hospitals, all sorts of places. Here's where it gets really interesting. I read that they're even testing the atom in coffee shops. Now, what is a precision robot doing swinging letters?